Hi, in this video I will show you how to activate any Microsoft Office for free. Let's check if I have an activated account of this software. I'm using Microsoft Office 2013. Go to File and Account to check if you have an activated account. So here it says that it is not activated yet. Download the zip file from the link in the description. But before we continue, we need to turn off all of our antivirus. I will turn off my Windows Defender for a while. The zip file is not a virus, it's just an unknown or not recognized file, because it can change values in the registries. Extract the zip file. Open KMSPICO portable folder and run kmseldi. Just wait for the button turn red. Click it now. Let's find out if this works. Open the MS Word again and check if you are activated your account. It says that product is activated, so it works. Now turn on your antivirus and delete the zip file. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if this works.
Raindrops, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. You fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park.